Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy. It's the starter, the man child. It's iCarnate, and it is May 12th. Guess what releases today? It's those brand new HT, mystery pops. Well, not so much a mystery anymore. I mean, they kind of showed you exactly what they were going to be. But yeah, Little Rose, who's going to be going. She's going to be going ahead and buying us some mystery pops today for me and the collector. Just me and the collector are both at work. So hopefully she'll cross fingers. Hopefully she's, she'll choose some good ones. Testing out this brand new holder that I got from China. It cost me $1. So I mean, so far it's working good. Anyway, yeah, man. So yeah, we'll just see you guys in just a little bit when we unbox these videos.
What's up, you jelly people? This is Little Rose in the car. As we speak, I'm on the hunt for iCarnate and the collector. We are going to see. No, actually, my bad. We're going to get 15 boxes of the Deadpool mystery box. It is now 7:36, so depending how I drive, I'll be there in 20 minutes. So check you out there in a minute. Later. And people, we are now at the destination of Hot Topic, as you can see. Oh, maybe you can't. Sorry. But anyways, we are here to get the 15 mystery boxes of Deadpool for iCarnate and the collector. So as soon as it opens up, I will get the 15 boxes for them and they will take it from there. Until then, I'm out. Little Rose. Bye! So I was just told by iCarnate and collector I need to film this crap for you guys. So as of right now, it is. What time is it?
It is almost 8:10.
I would say it's 15 minutes to 9 tops. And as you guys can see, there is no line. It's totally empty. So we are here until 10 o'clock. And we'll be sure to be the first one. Okay? Alright then, Little Rose is out for now. What's up, you jelly people? This is Little Rose over here. Filming the inside of Hot Topic as we are standing outside. There are 3 boxes that was seen. It's gonna be probably unloaded. And here is my boy trying to peek them. But anyways, this is what we are mainly waiting for. The surprises of the Deadpool. So as soon as the store opens, we will grab them and keep you updated. Alright then, Little Rose is out for now. Peace. Hey, check it out, you guys. There's a dead pigeon right on top of Hot Topic that my boy just pointed out. Look. Can't see if it's alive or what, but that's funky as hell. And he's trying to...
It's a dead pigeon.
Say hi, babe. Look, dead pigeon.
I think it's weird for Halloween.
The surprising of the day of Hot Topic. Alright, for reals, Little Rose is out. Bye. Yeah, we've been here since like almost 8 o'clock this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What's up, PJLing people? We are filming the unwrap of the mystery Deadpool pop from the coworker. Nice. Alright, we'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Bye. So what's up, PJLing people? It's now 9 o'clock, I'm assuming, and they're still stocking the mystery boxes. Or should I say opening the mystery boxes. As you can see right now, here's a good clear view on how they're stocking it. And I'm gonna go the other side. And he's still stocking. And as you can see, there's only 2 of us. With a dead bird. Oops. Finger got in the way there for a minute.
What's up? I'm back. It's lunchtime. And we're going to the mall. Because, well, going to the mall to go get a couple of mystery boxes. See you guys there. We're here at the mall. Let's go. Hot topic. Oh, that's cool. I need it. So, what else we got? Page 13. Jon Snow, he's here. They call him Last Chance. Nice. Mystery bags. Well, likelihood they got pops. That's cool. I'm actually gonna get that game, so excited about that. All right, let's see. There we go. Time for me to choose. Alright, so I chose 4. Now, notice on the bottom, the FAQ is 16097. 16083, and yet they're the same. Let's see what kind of pops are in these ones, alright? Let's start with this one. Alright. Yeah, I'm still in them all. I can't wait. Guys, another slapstick. It's 2 slapsticks. I think slapstick's probably the most common. Three for 3. Alright. So I did not get a Mad Cap. It just sucks balls. That's not all we got today, though. We got more. So I just spent $50+ on 3 slapstick and 1 stingray. I think, yeah. See if we do a little bit better later on in the day when the collector joins us.
Hey, what's up, Jelly Ink? It's Little Rose and we're on our way to Newark to go meet iCarnate and the collector to open 13 mystery boxes. So we will keep you posted in 30 minutes from now.
They're crazy for getting all those pops.
Alright then, we're outie. Again, this is Little Rose and
check out my channel too.
Late.
Be live streaming pretty soon.
Okay.
New show.
Bye.
We're here for these bad boys. Bad boys. Bad boys. Bad boys. Wait, did you? No, you didn't catch that on film when I was going like this. Please, oh man.
Yeah, I did actually.
You didn't catch that, right?
Yeah, I did.
Kids don't see that. Get your parents' permission for that.
Look what is the collector doing. Playing with signs now. Oh yeah, there you go. Start dancing. Let's go. There you go, the collector. Let's see if you pick one up. What is that?
Where's Edge? It's a video game.
doors here. Find those.
What else do we have? Damn, Mark, how high do I have to go?
There's the Alice in Wonderland.
What's up, Moose?
I don't know. You should have a moose pop here for me. What you do, huh?
There you go, Moose Bambi.
Flock? Right?
Yeah.
It's a flock. What the flock? Well, it's not the F word, guy, so calm down.
WH, was it? WTF?
Huh? Yeah.
Here, finding Dory.
Final.
Are we done here?
Hella heavy. This thing is heavy.
The Batman?
Don't watch this movie, guys. Do not watch it. It's not worth
Batman sucks.
Hey, I fell asleep on it, dude. It's so boring. Alright. Struggle's real, guys.
Hashtag people. I'm Little Rose.
Moose.
It's a collection.
Alright, we're out.
It's go time, baby. Deadpool. Pop mystery.
These dang pop mysteries, man. I hate them.
Hate 'em. 1 in 3 chance of each, baby.
That's you know what? That's here's some information. The Madcap is a lighter is a heavier pop. Supposedly by a lot. So you wanna go ahead and do the honors?
Do it.
This is
Here we
the
go.
heaviest one that we got.
It's only slight.
What is it?
It's a stingray.
Stingray.
It's a stingray. Damn. In all likelihood, this is also a stingray, and the rest are fucking slapsticks.
Slap.
Are freaking slapsticks. I already have a stingray, so no, we're not gonna open this one.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the nitty gritty. So the lightest one out of all of them is gonna be slapstick because it's just a regular Deadpool pop that was repainted.
This guy right here,
Yeah.
the yellow one.
Stingray is just a little bit heavier because of the wings that they added to him on the back. That's the reason why he's a little bit heavier. Madcap's gonna be the heaviest because of the hat.
The hat.
The hat.
Ugly.
That's what makes him heavier.
Man.
So, since we know the weights of these things, there's no point in us opening them because we know what's inside them. This one's gonna be a stingray because it weighed the same as that.
We can give one for giveaway.
So, I already have something for a giveaway. I have a slapstick for a giveaway.
My bad.
Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and just return these because, like I said, there's no point in us getting tons of stuff that we're not gonna be able to do anything with. So, yep. Unfortunately, everybody knew about the weight of the Madcap, and everybody came here and bought them all.
Greedy. Not gonna say it.
But does that bother us?
No.
Do we care?
No.
Not really.
I'm not gonna be sleeping.
It's not like we're gonna lose sleep over it. It's just another mystery pop. If anything, you know, we'll get it later on. Probably. What's up, man? So we over here. We back.
We're opening up. We decided to open up the other ones.
All right.
Just so we could give away more, maybe.
To all the lucky
You
guys
first.
out there. Alright, so who am I?
Right.
You
Bruce.
first. You first.
Drum roll.
I'm hoping for Mad Cat.
Let's go!
Let's go bottom, baby.
Go bottom out. Oh, it's a madcap!
Madcap?
But what?
Oh,
Regular.
Okay.
so I started opening mine up. Got a regular madcap. Alright, that's pretty cool. Gotta go bottom out. It's Marvel. We know it's Marvel.
Oh, it's Madcap again.
What? It's
It's
a
a
regular
regular.
one too. Sick. So that's that.
Shown.
Bonus footage.
Woo, last one, baby. Last one of these.
They're there.
That's one of these for an entire year. If you get these freaking mystery pops. I think I'm done with mystery pops, dude.
It's done, man. There's always like Stingray, Slapstick, Madcap.
And dun dun dun.
We haven't seen that guy yet.
Limited chase. Lego.
Is that Spider-Man? I hope so.
It's Civil War Spider-Man. That's exactly what it is.
Let's go put her.
1, 2.
Ah.
Regular.
Just a
Another
Rego.
regular.
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, let me see. How... Okay, so tipsters out there. This is a little bonus thing. You want the madcap? It's gonna be like this.
What?
It's gonna be like this. Check it out.
Wait, hold on.
You know that he has a hat. So, at the front, if you slightly just depress and you go up and down over here, you can actually feel the brim of his hat through the other box. That's how you can get a madcap.
Hmm.
And these are also heavier than the regular
Yeah, the regular one.
than the regular ones. These guys right here aren't as heavy. This thing has weight. So, if you guys are out there doing this right now, and you get a chance, feel the front with the brim, because you can feel it, and then the weight. Okay? So, I'm Mike Carnate.
Collector here.
Moose, what's good?
Peace out.
Peace.
Alright, do it over. You fucked
He's
it up.
doing a lot of things.